I'm here today to give you an update on AVAX, a bit of Avalanche coming through. We're going to be going through this from a technical analysis perspective. Not going to keep you guys too long here, but I want to break this down from, again, technical analysis perspective. We're going to be looking at market structure, buying zones. We're going to be looking at potential price predictions for us to be getting into as well. So let's get into this. Let's start off with market structure. So market structure, higher lows that we're currently looking at for this asset. You can see the most recent confirmed high low that we did see for this asset was actually down at around $27. Now, this is very interesting, guys, because this essentially means that we're still in a bullish market structure for this asset, and it is still looking really, really good. It does technically mean we could see price fluctuations come down of around 20%, which is absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. We'll still be in a bullish market structure if that does happen, and it's still looking great overall for this asset. Okay, higher high wise, we are breaking, or we have broken a higher high, and we have set around 65.6 as the most recent higher high there. One thing that I would say that is slightly negative here, guys, is going to be this upward sloping parallel channel. Upward sloping parallel channels, they tend to usually break to the downside, okay? And that is what we have seen here. We've seen a very, very big break to the downside. I mean, overall, it's looking pretty good because a lot of other altcoins aren't holding market structure here. And this one actually is. We are still flirting with the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement there, which does confirm the reversal of the trend. So that is something we need to be looking out for there. But overall, AVAX looking very, very, very strong here from market structure perspective, still staying bullish, and from Fibonacci in general, okay? If we are looking for a price target for this move from this upward sloping parallel channel to the downside here, we can be doing something along the lines of this, okay? And that will basically give us the test of this higher low that potentially could be on the cards here, okay? The test of the higher low, which would be down around 27.25, which again is around a 20% fluctuation to the downside there for you to be looking out for. Yeah, that's market structure. In terms of a buying zone, I would be looking for another buying zone here for AVAX at around this higher low, okay? This would be a very, very lucrative buying scenario here, and we will get into a price prediction of how much money you could be making if you just buy and hold from this zone for the next 6 to 12 months or so. But yeah, the buying area would be the market structure higher low. I don't really see us going that much lower than that unless we see crypto obviously fall off a cliff, black swans. There's a lot of stuff going on around the world, if you will, which can crash financial markets quite easily, so we need to be aware of that. But overall, that would be a very safe buying zone in my opinion. Not a financial advisor, of course. Now let's look at all-time highs there for AVAX and see what we're working with. So yeah, let's have a little look here. All-time high for AVAX that we can see on the CMC is up around $129. Okay, and what was the market cap for that? That was 29 billion. Okay, so that is a 3x from the current market cap. Let's reference that in terms of the price. 34, a 3x in current market cap would actually put us at $90 a coin. Okay, which is interesting because it does show more circulating supply has been essentially divvied out here for AVAX. So that does put the price prediction for this a little bit lower, unfortunately, because when we were at this previous all-time high for AVAX, you can see the market cap was only actually 3x our current market cap. So to get to this new, to break previous all-time highs, we're going to need, what is it? It's near enough a 4.3x to all-time highs. So that would be we'll just do a 4x in terms of the reference to the current market cap. You're going to be looking at a 4x on this. So you're looking at probably, is that 49? 49, maybe, we'll say 50 billion there. A $50 billion market cap for this asset, which you can see previous all-time highs. We was actually only at around $29 billion market cap. So that does mean that, I mean, a $30 billion market cap, sorry. So it does mean there is a $20 billion market cap difference here in terms of breaking the all-time high. So what we're going to do, we're just going to be going to the previous market cap here just to make it nice and conservative for this update. Don't want to get anyone's hopes and dreams too high, but personally, for me, I think AVAX is going to soar past all-time highs. It's a very, very bullish asset overall. Layer 1 blockchain, currently 12th in the race on the top of the leaderboard on CMC here in the cryptocurrency race. So yeah, I do think this asset is going to absolutely soar. But yeah, let's do a 3x from that buying zone from the previous market cap high, which is going to be a 30 billion. So that is going to be, yeah, like I said, around a 3x. So we'll do a 3x from that buying zone where we are, and let's see where that does bring us. That will bring us to around $82 a coin. And again, this is it's really underpriced. Okay, it's really underpriced because you can see the most recent high that we have broke here is $66. Okay, so I would expect definitely higher prices than that, as I said. But from a conservative standpoint, 3x for AVAX is very, very easy, very, very achievable, especially from this buy zone. You put in $10,000, you're walking away with $30,000. You put in 30, you're walking away with 90. It's very lucrative, very profitable investment strategy on AVAX for 6 to 12 months or so. Yeah, that's going to be AVAX update. Let me know in the comment section whether you like AVAX, whether you are involved with AVAX, whether you buy it, whether you want to buy it. Let me know. And if you like the content, guys, smash a like on it. If you never want to miss one of my uploads either, hit the subscribe button, notification bell on. You know what to do, and you're never going to miss one of my uploads. Simple as that. That's going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.